Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now, disconnect the negative battery terminal to avoid airbag errors, then position a plastic trim tool. First, remove the cup holder inserts by prying at the rear clips and lifting straight up. This exposes screws. Once done, remove the two visible screws beneath the shifter with a Phillips or 10 mm socket. Make sure to hold surrounding trim to prevent scratching. These steps free the front trim and give you access to electrical connectors and the center console bolts you'll tackle next. Once the trim is loose, pull the console up slightly and locate electrical connectors beneath. Depress their release tabs and unplug seat heater, 12V, and USB plugs so you don't tear wires. Next, remove the 4 console bolts, 2 at the front and 2 at the rear, using a 10 mm socket, extension, and ratchet for reach. Make sure to support the console while loosening bolts. Lift the rear first to clear the shifter boot, and guide wiring out to prevent kinks or clipped harnesses. With bolts out and connectors free, lift the console straight up and angle the rear toward the passenger side to feed wiring through the gap. Set the console on a padded surface to avoid scratches. When reinstalling, align plastic tabs and bolt holes, snug bolts evenly, do not over-tighten, and reconnect electrical plugs making sure each clicks. If the console binds on reinstallation or removal, check for missed fasteners under rubber mats or behind small trim pieces. That's the common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.